Should you take out a lawsuit loan? Often, after an accident, an individual is put out of work and can't provide the basic needs for his family. He may turn to a lawsuit funding company seeking a cash advance. In general, we advise against our clients taking out lawsuit loans due to the high interest rates being charged. However, if the client has no other choice, then we will work with the client and a funder to assist the client in obtaining a lawsuit cash advance. Another reason to take out a cash advance is if a client is in need of funds badly and does not want to take a lowball offer. In such a scenario, it may be worthwhile to take out a cash advance, but this should be your last option. It is much better to borrow from family or friends, try to get back to work, or simply to hold out until the case is resolved so that you get to keep your full portion of the proceeds from the lawsuit.